Mr. McCoy, can you explain how drain tile work and why they plug up? It's a great question. Normally basement drain tile, and these are drain tile here. These are drain tile. And that drain tile is designed in one of my previous videos. Indicates that water is designed to go out the outside, get to the inside drain tile right here. Water comes down, it gets the inside drain tile. It flows into this, what they call a bleeder, that goes from the outside. There's a little hole in there. And the water seeks the path of least resistance. Goes from the outside drain tile through the bleeder into the inside drain tile and to a sump crock or to a floor drain, and then out the floor drain. Normally this is in the inner city, Shorewood, Whitefish Bay, city of Milwaukee on the east side for sure. That's where you'll see most. On the south side, toward the lake, you'll see some of these. West Allis has some. Normally not in the suburbs under the last 30, 40 years of construction. You don't see as many floor drains. But I'll talk about that in a future video. So why do they fail? Failures can occur for a number of reasons. One of the first ones is when the basement was initially built, and these old clay tile, now they use perforated PVC tile. So they're not clay pieces of tile that are about 10 inches long, 4 inches wide, where they used to put them and then they would gap them. And so if they lay these tile and they're not perfectly square, or during construction, when they put stone over the top of it, they would walk on it and then they would bend these down. They would disorient these tile. As a result, water's not flowing through here in a proper way. And a 3-inch or 4-inch drain tile, if it's not connected properly, is all of a sudden a 2-inch drain tile. That doesn't become a problem in the first 5 or 6 or 7 years. It becomes a problem later on when sediment builds up. You'll notice this one here is clean of sediment. And this one here just shows that there's dirt in there, sediment. Sediment is as a result of when all the years, 10, 15, 20, normally 30 years seems to be the key number. House that's 30 years old. When water comes through here, when it recedes and when it stops, it's dirty water, it's dirty clay water. And it'll run through your system and then it'll mitigate down. And when it does, there's a precipitate. And that precipitate, like brown water, when it becomes still, it just has a little bit of sediment that goes onto the bottom. Well, after 30 years of rain, dry, that water, that dirty water, the clay sediment particles get stuck in the bottom of this, and your 4-inch drain tile turned into a 2-inch drain tile. When that happens and you get a 4-inch rain, that drain tile was designed for 4 inches, which may be small from original design, depending on the size of your house. Now it goes down to a 2-inch, and it just can't handle the amount of water, and water starts building up, and it comes where the floor meets the wall. Because water will seek the path of least resistance, and it will find a way into your basement. I try to explain to people that basements are nothing but a giant hole in the ground, and holes in the ground want to fill up with water. I mean, that's just the fundamental of it. So these systems are designed to be able to recycle the water out of the basement as opposed to it filling up. If these drain tiles are filled with sediment, it can't get to the sump crock, and it just can't fly in the sump pump fast enough, and your water will come up normally all the way around the basement wall. That's one of the main concerns with older basements of why basement drain tile fail.